Hello, and welcome to the tutorial on how to download Visual Studio Code, set it up, and eventually create our own project within Visual Studio Code. As we'll touch upon during the activity, Visual Studio Code is useful for us when it comes to writing our own code and then testing it in a browser. Now, the way we need to get Visual Studio Code is by downloading it through the URL at the top of the screen that's highlighted right now. Or you can reach that page by typing Visual Studio Code download. And the first result should be the page you visit. Once we have the page pulled up, we can select the version of Visual Studio Code we would like to download. Depending on what type of computer you have, you would want to select a different option. And once you click that link, a file will begin to download. Once that file has finished downloading, you can click it to start setting up Visual Studio Code, or you can go to your files, go to downloads. It's slightly different on a Mac or Linux computer, but double click on the file that was just downloaded to start setting up Visual Studio Code. You'll want to accept the agreement, continue by clicking next, and finally click the install button. Once the setup is finished, we will want to click the finish button. And we should be brought to a page that looks somewhat like this. This is where we can create a new file, or in our case, we can open a folder where we're going to be putting all of our code files. The way we can do so in Visual Studio Code is by clicking the File, Open Folder, or by clicking Open Folder. You can then navigate to the folder of interest that you would like to work in. After you open the folder, you'll want to start creating files that you can start putting your code in. The way we can create a file within VS Code is by either clicking on this Add New File icon, or by right-clicking and selecting the New File option. From there, we'll be prompted to enter a name for a file, along with the file type itself. We'll touch upon what each of these file types means during the activity. And now we've finished setting up our VS Code project.